As I promised in the previous video that I will show you that how you can create a video using the ChatGPT script, and then how you can convert your script in the audio, and then that same script you can create a video by helping AI, artificial intelligence. So this all the procedure, how you can create your script, how you convert your script in the audio, and then how you can create a video, and then after that you can post on the social media, for example YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or anywhere you want post. So that video will helps you step by step that you can create your videos without showing your face, and then you can earn money online using these kind of videos. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's continue to our topic, and then we see how we can do. Okay friends, so first of all we open the ChatGPT for our script, because we want to take the help from the ChatGPT to create our script, and then after that we convert our script in the audio. So first thing, we open the ChatGPT, then we type here, for example I just do the motivational videos. So for example, you can use your topic anything you want, you type here, but I am currently doing the motivational, so I just type here, write motivational lines. So here are the 10 topics ChatGPT created for you. So you can easily create a short video from that. If you are using the long video, also you can use this 10 motivational lines for your video. But I am doing the short videos, short length, because as we know if we want to viral, or if we want to grow fast, so we create a short videos. So on the YouTube shorts, if your video is less than 10 second or 15 second, that one get more audience retention, and then your video will be viral. Now second thing is we need to convert our script to the audio and video. So for that thing we go to the Google and then type there Veedio, then hit enter. You can see this one is the official Veedio AI software, that anything you can create here. You could just give the script, that one will convert your script to the audio, and then after that it will give you the templates or give you the options that as a video editor that you can create your own videos, or you can import your media to create a video. So I don't want to waste your time, so we just click the dashboard. For the better result, you can sign up freely, you can export your videos in the HD quality. Actually this one is a online video editor, but it will help you to convert your text in the audio and then create your video also. So we just create a new project. You can see here in the bar, create a new project, start recording, go live, or you can take the also templates from there. So I just create a project, easy thing. Then here you can find out that you can upload your own media, you can record, or you can also put the blank canvas or brand kit. This one is the for the premium. And then here you can see the stock videos. This one fully free stock videos library, copyright free, you can use that also videos. And then more things, if you want to use these videos very fast, you can create your video. That one is copyright free videos. Or just I find any video, click the browse, or download any video, use any website, Pixabay or Pexels. For example, I am using here Pexel, and then you type the whatever background video you want. So currently I type here the motivational, and then I click the search. So here I can get the many free video, copyright free videos that I can use in my videos. So you can see here I click the videos and then I choose here anything I want. For example, I just take this one and then click free download. So our video is already downloaded. So we go to the vid create, then click browse, then select our media. So our media is already selected. Now here you can change the resolution, size, color, or you want to clean audio or anything you want here you can do. So the first thing is we click here, click the media, and then click here you can see the text to speech. So we click the text to speech, and then here we select the language, which language we want. So I just select keep English, and then I choose the English India, and then I can choose also the character female or male. So I just select the female, and then I can type here the text that we generated from the ChatGPT. So I just copy this text and then paste here. Then I click the, if you want to preview, you can preview. For example, I just preview that our script.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. No it.
So we just click the add to project. So as you can see, our audio is only for the 7 seconds. So our short clip is ready. So we just drag also this one for the video for the 7 seconds, or you can also this video you can speed up. So for example, I just put the speed to and then reduce a bit. And then audio also, if you want to remove silence also, you can remove silence by clicking this one. If you want to remove silence from your video, but I am keeping that way because I don't want remove silence, so that one we remove. Now the second thing is we add our text. So we click the text, then here you can find out the templates also, or if you want to put the simple text, you can add also your text. So I just select this one and then paste the same lines here, and then you can choose your text mode. You can see here the many font here, so you can choose as per your choice. So I'm selecting this one, and then size also, size of the text also you can choose, and then text starting with the start or center or left. So I just keep the center, but I change the font style different. Then effects also you can change the effects. So that one is the effect. And then text also grab until the video, and then you can make it big. And then text color also you can choose if you want to change the color of the text. But I remain the white color, so it's more look nice. So I keep remain the white color. Then animation of the text. So you can see here the different kind of animations. So I just select the typing one. So for example, we just play and try.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Believe in yourself and all that you are.
So that is our video is ready. So if we want to add the background music, so we click the add media. You can import the your background music. For example, I just select that one, Then I reduce the music sound, put the 10%. Now if we try to play,
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Believe in yourself and
so our video is ready. As you can see, our video is ready. So we click the export. Then here you can see the quality size is standard, HD, and then drop. So we just click the export video. So our video is being proceed. So now you can see our video is ready. If you want to download, we just click the download video, or you can directly download here. I'm using the IDM, but if you can want to download, you can download directly here. So our video is ready. So here is our video.
believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
It's ready to post on our social media platform. So that is the small procedure that you can create your script. After that you can create your video without showing your face, and then you can earn money on the social media platforms. So that is the old procedure. Hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.